Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDC from a secure Trezor hardware wallet to an exchange like Bitmart. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Trezor device is set up and connected to your computer. If you haven't already, download the latest Trezor Suite app. It's been updated for better security in 2025. Once you're in, open your wallet and navigate to your USDC balance. Double-check that you have enough funds for the transfer, including any network fees. Next, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select USDC. Bitmart might be using advanced multi-chain support by now, so ensure you're choosing the correct network, probably Ethereum for USDC. Copy the deposit address provided. This is crucial, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select the Send option for your USDC. Enter the Bitmart deposit address carefully, specify the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Trezor will prompt you to confirm on the device itself for added security. Always verify here to prevent any hacks. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Trezor app for confirmation. Finally, check your Bitmart account to ensure the USDC has arrived. A few quick tips. Always use the official Trezor and Bitmart apps to avoid scams, be mindful of gas fees which could fluctuate, and never share your seed phrase. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. There you have it. Sending USDC from Trezor to Bitmart is that simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.